NTK has been offering thread whirling systems for over 6 years. We are continuously improving our system to provide best productivity for our current and future customers. NTK's unique patent design technology makes precise and correct threads for the first time, even multiple threads. Precise ground inserts enable superior surface finishes and longer tool life. NTK provides the world's best technology in thread whirling industry. NTK thread whirling is now very popular in the bone screw industry because of its unique technology. The biggest advantage of NTK thread whirling is the capability of providing multiple lead threads. NTK thread whirling inserts are designed with unique patent technology that can form multiple lead threads with a single pass. When making multiple lead threads with a single lead edge insert, user needs to connect several times to make whole threads due to the mechanism of Swiss-type lathes. With NTK thread whirling, you can eliminate the complicated and time-wasted process.